Yeah? Just winning a car. I won. Yeah.
Countryman.
Videoing as a spy, we're here at the co-park and videoing as a little spy because they don't like you recording it. Just gone to get the car and just sort of butting in saying that obviously we're here, we're ready, we're picking it up, how we know me.
Yeah, but don't be advertising. Don't be advertising it either.
So the car is there. A mini Countryman, you can't even fucking see it. But get me seatbelt on. Look at that. Just had a front end smash. So the front end's a bit fucked. It's ran over something, I think, so I'll have to check the bottom end. Yeah, it wasn't a bad price really. For what it is. Oh god. Hopefully Granny gets back alright. I'll check in with her later, but fingers crossed she does. It should be fine. Oh. It looks fine. Oh, right. Oh, she's got no number plate on the back. Fuck. Fuck. No number plate. That is so bad. That is the worst thing ever. Fucking hell. She needs to hurry up. Don't worry guys, we did in fact stop and stick the number plates on. She did get... So, we are here, we have brought the Countryman back. And, I've just popped the bonnet. Let's see if I can get it open. Might have to just bend that out a bit. There we are. Oh shit, falling into the bush. So I'm guessing there's a lever somewhere. Let's undo your fingers fit under there. Right. There we are. So it's a 1.6 petrol. That's pretty clean, that, isn't it? Let's have a look at that. Let me just open the oil cap. Oh. No. Definitely due a service. Hopefully that's no head gasket issue. I'll get Nanny to wipe that out now. So, stick that back on. That's not what I wanted to see. What's all that? It's just... So I think that headlight's fine. The bumper, oh, it's snapped off. It's not actually fixable. Wing, I think the wing could potentially be salvageable. Not quite sure. Not quite sure. But as you can see, I knew these Mini Coopers didn't have a... I'll see how much a bonnet is. I don't think you'd want to repair that. So basically it's a bonnet, headlight, bumper, and then a wing trim, a mirror cap. Which are the mirror caps, black or blue? Let's check the other side. Mirror caps are just black, so... Yeah, so I believe that this has hit something and the bump, it's like sort of jumped over the... If that makes sense. Oh!
Don't forget your bum bag.
Oh, thank you, Granny. Your bum bag's it, oh, you got it?
Put it on.
Bye! I won't. So, mirror cap, bonnet, bumper, headlight, probably tell that. Maybe this wing part could potentially make it work. It doesn't look damaged down here, not damaged down there, but if you look underneath, there's a few twigs. So there's a twig there, let me see them. Can you see them? See the twigs? Few twigs. So I reckon they've hit something and they've drove over the top of it. Drop that back down. It's a nice little bonnet, that. So, tyres, fronts are a bit bald, the backs are fine. They're a bit bald, look, little bit. So we'll see if we can get some tyres. Granny thinks she wants this, so she's already cleaned the inside, so the actual interior looks pretty mint. Seats wise, we haven't got no chewed up seats like the Fiat 500. But yeah, Nana's give it a little detail. Speakers sound nice. The head, we're gonna need a headliner, because unless we can fix that side of the headliner up. But my cameraman's here. My cameraman. Hello, cameraman. There you are. Thank you.
Oh, it's nice.
So, guys,
it's nice.
You're the cameraman, so you're
I don't want
videoing
to
the
do
floor. You get to video me.
Can I have it when you're done?
No, I want it.
I want it. Where's my baby?
Gone for a walk. You need to video,
No,
Hannah.
let's have a look first. This is perfect size for Novi. You can see the boot.
So I believe it's driven over something.
Oh wait, can you see that?
Oh, you just hit a pheasant.
Where's it gone?
On the floor, obviously.
No, the light.
It's not a light.
Yes, it is.
It's not, because you haven't got one on the other side. It's just a plastic piece.
Oh, hey.
Shouldn't have run over a pheasant, should you? Anyway, back to the Countryman.
No.
Rear tyres good. The fronts need changing. Nice wheels though.
Can you just check if the pheasant's inside the car? Just so before I look.
There's no pheasant in the car, Hannah.
Yeah, where's my car gone?
Yeah, they're falling off. So I think something's ran over. It's ran over it. Because like, look, grass and a plastic piece in it. Where's that from? It's got tow bar electrics. Tow bar electrics. So you could fit a tow bar in it. Don't know how good it'd tow stuff. But yeah. How does the rear shockers look? It's like it's been in a bush. So, but yeah. No, it looks good. Bumper I should be able to take that bumper off and slide it back in. So yeah, headliner wise. Headliner wise, has it blown the airbags? It must have done. I can't tell. I think the airbags have blown. So headliner's got a crinkle in it and it's got a cut there. I don't know whether it's just the front that's blown. But obviously it's going to be a new dash, I reckon. So steering wheel off, dash potentially out, and new dash depending on how much it is, or you can get airbags replaced, because I believe it's a flappy one. And there's a Fiat still here, so I believe it's a flap up, so it might be fixable. It is fixable, I think. Huh?
Is it okay though that the airbags have gone off?
For now, yeah.
Do you have to get a new steering wheel?
Look at that.
Do you have to get a new steering
The
wheel?
aerial! We found the aerial! Yeah, no, just the steering wheel thing. Just this part.
It's supposed to be there.
That's whoever had it had a sat nav there.
So it doesn't have sat nav on it?
No. It's a working screen though. It's low on battery there. Oh, mini screen.
How can it be low on battery?
Because the car's low on battery. So it's the airbags have gone off, but there's no other engine light.
Very
Just
nice.
the airbags. So, yeah, I'll take the key out. But yeah, look.
Car.
What?
What?
Your next car? I don't
Look what the
think
pheasant
so.
did to me.
What's that?
The keys. I want to drive the Fiat as well.
So the Fiat's finished now.
Oh, the wheels look nice out.
They're in the wheel.
It's got no door card.
Yeah, because it's in the back. So I'm fixing the door barrel.
It's got no handle.
Yeah, because the handle's there.
It looks really nice. I like it.
Just needs a clean now. Clean, put the door handle on, take photos, and it's ready to sell.
Where's my doggy?
Around the corner. So yeah, that's the mini Countryman coming to cinemas near you. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to see me finish this mini Countryman. There is a few things that you'll see in the next episodes that will be unveiled that I did not know about.